Welcome to my YouTube channel. This topic is based on computer graphics, which will base on mastering shadows and backgrounds. This will explore color models and achieving photorealistic rendering. Now we will further discuss about this topic. Introduction. By this session, we will understanding that shadows and backgrounds are crucial part for realistic rendering of the image. In this we will explore different color models and techniques which are used to achieve stunning visual effects for the image rendering. Importance of shadows. Shadows add too much depth and realism to an image. Because of this, we will creating a sense of dimension and enhancing the overall visual impact on the image, which will too much creative and realistic. Types of shadows. We will learn about hard and soft shadows and how they contribute to the mood and the atmosphere of an image. Understand the impact of light direction on shadow formation. Color models. In this, explore the RGB, that is red, green, blue, sky mag and HSL. There are too much color models and their role in creating lifelike. There are too much different roles for these colors and very vibrant color palettes for realistic rendering we can use. Color temperature. By understanding the concept of color temperature and its impact on the mood and the atmosphere of a scene, we will learn to use warm and cool colors to evoke specific emotions. Background techniques. Background techniques are too much crucial part of the image. Master the art of creating compelling backgrounds, that means complement the subject matter. Explore the use of textures and gradients and colors and all to add depth and visual interest in the image. Photorealistic rendering. In this, we discover advanced rendering techniques to achieve realism to render the image to be realism. Learn about ray tracing, ambient occlusion, and global illumination for light visual effects. Lighting and shadows. Master the interplay between lighting and shadows to create captivating visual compositions. Explore the use of high dynamic range lighting for stunning effects. Artist expression. Use shadows and backgrounds and colors and realism as a means of artist expression that artist will express in too much realism. Experiment with conventional color and palettes and shadow placement to evoke unique emotions and moods of the atmosphere image. Achieving realism. By achieving realism, we can achieve this. We can combine the knowledge of shadows, color models, and background techniques to achieve photorealistic results and realism of the image. Emphasize the attention to detail and realistic rendering. Practical applications of realistic rendering. There are too much applications of realistic rendering. Uh, one of the one of the main examples discussed here. We can apply the principle of mastering shadows and backgrounds to various fields such as architecture, product design and digital art and so on. we can use this we can use realistic rendering here. Showcase real world examples of successful implementation. This is the best example of practical application. Conclusion of this topic or this session or this lecture, that is mastering shadows and backgrounds, is an essential and crucial skill for achieving photorealistic rendering and embrace the artistic potential of shadows and colors to create visual and realistic, stunning and emotionally engaging with the compositions of the image. So thank you to attend this lecture and watching this lecture. So like, share and subscribe.